Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to come back again. Let's gear up. In this video I am going to show you how you can install WoeUSB in your CLI Linux. This may work well with other Linux operating systems as well. WoeUSB is a simple tool that enables you to create your own USB stick Windows installer from an ISO image or a real DVD. Open your terminal app in CLI Linux. Get into root mode. Update your CLI Linux using sudo apt update command. This may take couple of seconds and depends on your internet speed and update size. Done doing that? Install git and p7-zip using the command shown. Now, get Python pip and required dependency. Finally, run the command to install WoeUSB on your Linux distro. WoeUSB is installed successfully. You can run WoeUSB from your applications menu as shown. Enjoy creating bootable USBs on your Linux distro. Please appreciate with your likes and comments. Thanks for watching and good day.